How to buy Bitcoin Cash on Trust Wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Bitcoin Cash on your Trust Wallet in easy fast way. So first thing you do is you go to Trust Wallet, and as you can see this is the home page. Now you have to choose buy here, click on buy, and then you choose the Bitcoin Cash. If you didn't find it here, you can search here in the search bar like this, and then click on it. And after that you need to choose the amount of money that you want to invest, like 200, and then click next, and it will take you to the third party website that you can pay from it. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, now you have to choose your country here, like Croatia, and then click proceed here, and everything will be done. Thank you for watching.